Yep, it's us, Nigel and Jessica, once more. So, first of all, I just want to shout out, well, we both want to shout out to all the women that have businesses or small businesses today. Um, Today is National Women's Small Business Day. And, whether you're a mom, a sister, a wife, a daughter, we just want to say shout out to you, all right? Because we know the road, okay? And we is a husband and wife, or a wife and husband owned business, but I just want to shout out to you guys today and to my wife, to Jessica. Yeah, man. So what we have here for you guys today is our earlier during the week, my wife Jessica, she did a contest. So we're getting ready to announce the winner. The box is what's inside here is our mango body butter, our mango sugar scrub, our mango lip butter, our vegan lip butter, and our Jamaican almond oil. All right. So, is there anything you want to say?
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited to draw the winner. And we're so excited about this new box. It's on our website, so you can actually go and purchase it. The retail value is like $51, but right now, because it is a bundle, it's $40. So it's really sweet. It's a sweet deal, but more than that, it's just awesome products. And I'll let Nigel tell you guys more about the Jamaican almond oil, because that is what everything is in.
That's
right?
What's in, yeah.
That's what's in everything.
Yeah, it's in the bath bomb, it's in the body butter, it's in the sugar scrub, and the lip butter. So, yeah, it's in everything. So, I'm looking for a kernel, but I don't have any kernels.
I have some.
Oh, yeah, here we go.
Okay.
So, okay. So this is our Jamaican almond oil, and this is what the Jamaican almond oil comes from. This is the kernel, this is what has the oil in it, and then this is the shell, and the kernel is inside here. As you can see, this is a different species of almond from the one that's grown here in the United States. These are grown in tropical countries all over the world, mostly on the coastline. So they have minerals that they get from the ocean that is different from the almond here. Right? Now, in order to preserve those minerals, I cold press.
Yeah,
Sorry.
there you go.
I cold press. Okay, and then the almond, as kids, we would sit down under the trees, not just in Jamaica, but kids on the other islands do the same thing too. And they would just crack almond with a rock and just eat all day. Here we have our vegan lip butter, and this has no beeswax in it, no animal products, right? This is made with sunflower wax.
And what do you like about it? What like?
I'm looking for the sample.
Oh, right here.
Oh. So, back when I just came to America, we were living in California. My wife, my lips would get real cracky, and she would make lip butter for me.
No, I would go to the store and get you lip butter.
Well, yeah.
Lip balm.
After she go to the store and get a bunch of lip butter and stuff, and then it didn't work.
How did it make you feel?
It made me feel awful, and I didn't like how it actually feel on my lip. It felt pasty, and I didn't like that. So she decided to start making our lip butter with putting our oil in it and stuff. and for me, and then the grandkids, they loved it. Her niece loved it, so everybody started using it. I would say the first 6 months of making it, she was not able to sell any because it was, me and the rest of the family would just have it. So it's very light, as you know, the oil is very light, so there's not gonna be a lot of residue that's sitting on your lip after you put it on. If there's a little bit, too much on there or on your finger when you take it out, you just rub it in the cuticles. It's really wonderful for cracky nails. So I just put a little bit and then kind of like just massage it in, And then I bite my nails, so I like them to be soft. So sorry, I know you don't like that. I bite my nails.
It's fine. Now the whole world knows. What the heck? So let's wrap up and let's show them. Let's draw our winner. Let's draw our winner. Okay, winner, chicken dinner. Oh wait, is that my second set? Hold on. That was my Instagram set. Hold on. Here is my Facebook set. So you guys, we actually wrote down every single person's name and put it on a little piece of paper and just gonna really do the drawing. Okay, so here it is. Okay, go Nigel, go. Go, Nigel, go. Go, Nigel, go. I hope he picks your name. I hope he pays Tammy. I hope he picks your name. I hope he picks your name. Did you tag somebody? Did you play the game? You have to play to win. Okay. Okay. Wowzers. Okay. Cassandra! Yay! Cassandra Van Beekum. Yay. Woo. You won the box. You won the box. You won the box. So let's show them what Cassandra won. Go, Cassandra, go. Go, Cassandra, go. Yes, you won the box. Oil, lip butter, sugar scrub, mango, bath bomb. Yay!
Alrighty.
All right, so that is our winner today. So we had a winner on Instagram and we had a winner on Facebook, and we are going to come back and do
in due time
another contest. Okay, let me show them the box. I can't even hold it, Nigel. You know I'm so anxious. You have a little bit of lip balm on your lips.
It's alright, it's okay.
Okay. All right. So, all right. Let's see our next box. Okay, wait. Put Cassandra's name on the table there, so I don't.
Double draw.
Yeah, I don't double draw. Well, the drawing's over. So, what was I coming over here to do?
To show them.
Is it back on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so our next giveaway. Nigel, this is an expensive box.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, this was on Nigel. This box is on Nigel. So, this is our next prize. It's going to be 1/2 ounce of meringue oil, a full ounce of Jamaican almond oil. Am I in the frame?
Yes, you are.
Okay. The vegan lip butter, a mango body butter, a lime sugar scrub. I never used sugar scrub before, but I'm now low-key obsessed with using sugar scrub. It's all over my body. It's like a super moisturizer in the shower. I'm loving it so much. Okay. And then you're also going to get a pain-free peppermint bath bomb. So I'll put this all together for our next contest. Sit tight, tell your friends, come on in, show us your love, show us that, you want us to know and people to know about our products. Okay? So we hope that you are enjoying this. This is kind of out of our comfort zone, but yeah, but we're doing it and we're going to keep doing it. Yeah, Nigel?
Absolutely.
Okay. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Cassandra, direct message us. You're the winner. Bye-bye.
One love.